This example with the DAX demonstrates a broad use of fib analysis since it is a broad regional market index that covers a long time span and price range. Various uptrends and downtrends can be used for similar projection levels, since the major trends cover similar approximate distances in terms of their price and time ranges. Since price action is so clear with a double top, a fib projection covering a relatively narrow range can still identify potential support opposing the downtrend. Then when a new uptrend starts into the 2010s, the same downtrend can be used as a reference for a large fib retracement to identify potential resistance to the uptrend and support for retracements. Due to the larger candles on a monthly chart, it would be advisable to remove the fib projection levels after the uptrend began to avoid clutter on the chart. Using a fib extension with a larger base trend produces similar results. It is advisable to remove extension levels when the fib retracement is applied to reduce clutter, or to focus more attention to areas where extension and retracement levels are grouped closer together. The levels from both the fib extension and projection can increase in precision by using a shorter time frame. Their general accuracy is still seen on the broader monthly chart, with many open, high, low, and close prices still concentrating around the fib levels. When new record highs are established, projected fib levels from the large fib retracement can be helpful in determining areas where long-term resistance could oppose the continuing uptrend. The resulting downswings, particularly around the 2 level, are excellent results, considering there will be even more lost precision with such wide proportions between the fib projection levels on a broad monthly chart spanning more than a decade. Just like examples with the shorter weekly or daily time frame, a fib extension with the first upswing and retracement in the new uptrend is sufficient. There are similar results to the fib projection because the base trend covers nearly the same distance in terms of its price range. When new peaks formed at or below 13,000 from 2014 to 2020, near extension and projection levels, it was possible to identify approximate areas of potentially stronger support, where the uptrend lines intersected with projection and extension levels. However, like with other examples, it is often more suitable to use a fib retracement since these are retracements within the larger uptrend. The wide-ranging price action forming upswings on the 0.382 fib retracement level in early 2016 and 2020, along with the swing points on the 0.236 level, are reminders fib levels of all kinds are simply approximations. Even with the benefit of stable trend lines, it is possible to have lost accuracy with swing points forming on fib levels during volatile periods, regardless of the chart being viewed in a longer or shorter time frame.